occur together. For example, a soldier living with HIV may also develop diabetes. Or a police officer on long-term antiretroviral therapy may also suffer from high blood pressure. This is what is called comorbidities. That is multiple health conditions occurring at the same time. For many years, our health systems were designed to tackle one disease at a time. It was like we had separate programs for HIV, separate clinics for tuberculosis, and separate screening days for high blood pressure. That approach worked well when HIV was the dominant threat of the time, but it is no longer the case. Today, a patient walks into a military clinic with 3 different conditions and traditionally should visit 3 different doctors on 3 different days. Instead, the patients need one team, one plan, and one record. And that is what we mean by integrated health services.